What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to Kansas. But first, yesterday I had a runza at Runza in Nebraska. It was good, it was simple. Beef, cabbage, onions, and the bread was delicious. But where does it rank? I've given it some thought, and this is where it's gonna get tough because I genuinely liked it. It was pretty good. But on our list of what we have right now, I'm gonna put the runza at number 5 behind the pastrami burger and everything else that we had so far except for the Rocky Mountain oysters. And it's only gonna get tougher from here because it was good and we're going to Kansas today for what should be a really good lunch. So we're leaving the hotel here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Went for a run this morning, nice and easy, felt good. Got the boys some miles as well. Tried to get a workout in with what I could. Hotel gyms are tough, but I did all right. We're getting in a bit of a routine by now. Brody had a kind of tough time eating this morning. Raider wouldn't pee though, so that's good. Between Raider's peeing and Brody's eating, we're gonna figure it out at some point. We'll be all right. But for now, let's go charge first and then go to Kansas. Just got here to charge. We're still in Lincoln. The charger was like 5 minutes from the hotel. But if you didn't believe me, these things are like McDonald's out here. They're everywhere. Stay, boys. You're all tangled up again. You're all tangled up. All right, big jumpers. Whoa. Whoa. All right. We can come back for it. You're gonna drink it now. Are you hungry? I hope you're not hungry. I hope you're not hungry, Brody, because you didn't eat this morning. Y'all, it is humid here in Nebraska. Not even that hot. It's just super humid. The shade doesn't even help, maybe a little bit, but like, this is worse than Vegas heat. I hate this. I would rather be in summer in Vegas than to be living in this. I'm just like, I'm sweating. I've been outside for 2 minutes. I know it's not always like this here. They had some storms rolling through, not holding this against Nebraska. I know, I'm from the Midwest. But anyways, while we're charging, me and the boys just getting some steps in, walking right next to this really busy road that's actually quiet right now, which is kind of nice, but it's very loud over here. All right, just unplugged, we're ready to go. Next stop will be in Missouri, but I'm sweating, so it is what it is. The runza is tempting. I am a little hungry, but I want to be very hungry for where we're going next. Our next stop is a charger in Missouri, but after that, we're gonna get some good lunch. I'm excited to show you guys, but let's keep going. Did I confuse anybody when I said we're going to Missouri to charge? Because I was thinking about what I just said and I confused myself, but I wasn't lying. I'm looking at the map here. We're driving right along the Missouri and Kansas border. So we are going to Missouri to charge, but we are going to Kansas to eat. So that's, I just wanted to clarify. St. Joseph's, Missouri. Oh, still humid. Don't gotta be here long. Let's plug in, get the boys out next to a Hy-Vee grocery store, so I'll get them something in there as well. And let's get moving. Stay, boys, stay, Brody. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Brody was like waiting for me to pour the water, and then I poured it and he walked away. Oh, now he's drinking, there we go. So here's where I plugged in. There are the faster chargers. These are 150 kilowatts, these are 250. I didn't see those. That's all right, we'll be here for so long anyway, it won't matter that much. But whoopsies. Also, parking lot of a grocery store, so not much around. Come on, boys, over here. But I found a grassy spot there we're gonna go to. See, yeah, I know, but the boys just finished their thing and I gotta get some turkey for Brody because that's the only way that he will eat his food, if I mix some turkey in it. And maybe a drink for me or something and use the bathroom. But yeah, we are here for a while, but that's okay. Get back, boys, get back, get back. I'm just throwing this in the fridge. And we're in Missouri, but it doesn't count. We're not eating here, so no new state on the board. Doesn't count. We're going to Kansas City. We'll be there in like an hour to get some lunch. I'm excited, I'm hungry. This is gonna be good. Cheers, let's go. So I know I make the rules, but I'm not sure if we're allowed to do this new state on the board and a restaurant reveal segment at the same time. But we're here, where we're gonna eat is right there, but we're also in Kansas. So first we gotta put this on the board, and we're gonna combine these segments. Here we go. Kansas is officially on the board. I am kneeling on the floor, sweating in the only quiet part in the parking lot of Rosedale Barbecue here in Kansas City. This place has been here since 1934, and it serves what Kansas is known for, and that is Kansas City style barbecue. Apparently this is like the original spot for Kansas City barbecue, so I am very excited to try it. It's family owned, it's been here for forever, and it smells great out here. So let's go in, get out of this freaking humidity that's going on right now, and get some Kansas City barbecue. What do I got?
Okay, my biggest seller here by far is, the old heads say, I need a beef and a fry.
Beef and a fry?
A beef and a fry. It's gonna be, yes, I sell thousands of things a day.
Okay.
And it's gonna be a chopped brisket on white bread.
And that's Kansas City barbecue, that qualifies?
We've been here for 92 years.
Let's do it.
So,
Sounds good. All right, so as you guys saw, I was sort of talked out of getting the burnt ends because this is apparently what they serve like all the time. And she wasn't lying. I've heard like 10 people order it since I sat down. This is the beef brisket and fries. Definitely didn't ask for a soda, but we got an RC. I'm gonna roll with it. It's probably what they do. Beef and fry, beef and fry. I'm judging the beef here. I got this sauce. She said I gotta load it up. I'm gonna load it up for sure. Big sauce guy. It does say hot and spicy on it, so I'm a little nervous, but it shoots out like a freaking rocket. All right, now let's go in. Beef and fry. Obviously some shredded beef. Got the sauce on it. Bread's pretty simple. Let's give it a whirl. I never said that in my life. I don't know. Let me bite this thing. Something's working here. Something's working really well here. I want more of the sauce. This sauce is very good. Sweet, spicy. She said load it up. I didn't load it up initially enough. One of the most tender meats I've ever had. I wasn't sure what smoky would taste like. I did my research, saw it was supposed to be smoky. This has a smoky taste. Sauce is great. Sauce, oh my God. Whatever that is, top 5 sauce ever. Hey.
Mac and cheese, cheesy potato casserole, coleslaw, and beans.
Okay, oh cool. Thank you. Little sampler plate.
I want him to try.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Very generous. I'll try it. Not gonna count towards a score, but I'll definitely try. The barbecue mac and cheese is high expectations, but we'll talk about it, we'll judge it, but it's not gonna be part of the score. This is the score. Yeah, I can already tell. This thick, heavy mac and cheese. Let me get a little more. And you speechless, dude. Just the big mac and cheese guy. I'm a big mac and cheese guy. That's how you do it. You load it up like this. That way the sauce hits your tongue first. I just learned it and I'm almost done. I'm gonna chill for a minute, finish these fries, and then we'll talk about what just happened. Alrighty, y'all, back digesting in the car. What a freaking sleeper pick. I knew I liked barbecue. I knew this would be good, but like, holy cow, that beef was tender. It was smoky. Like I said, didn't really know what to expect with smoky. You can taste it there. Now, if I didn't mention it, that sauce was like out of this world. And as far as barbecue goes, I got a clean white shirt. It wasn't that like, I mean, it was juicy for sure, but it wasn't like dripping like messy barbecue like I would have expected, which I appreciate. But looking at our list here, man, that might be a sleeper pick. But for now, I'm gonna digest, get ready to head to our next spot, and tomorrow I will let you guys know where this ranks. So for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.